Yes.
Hello Pakistan. This is Mustehsan Farooqi from Uncle's Talks from the YouTube channel. Now, this short video is about giving you some personal information and what kind of services I can offer to different organizations or establishments. So let me give you my background. I have a master's degree from Quaid-e-Azam University in Science, Geophysics to be particular at that. And then I did some courses of MPhil from University of Peshawar. And then I left the country. I worked for PIDC as an officer at the iron ore project Pachinko and Chegendik, Balochistan. I was a young officer and I was directly appointed on grade 17, 46 years back then. Anyway, worked for a while in Pakistan and then had the adventure to leave the country to see the world, see what is around. So I left Pakistan and went to different countries, in particular stayed for a long time in the Caribbean, beautiful country like Dominican Republic, Panama, Costa Rica. I have been to States and visited some other country at that time, like Denmark and different countries. Let me tell you, my expertise, all my time which I have spent out of Pakistan has been in sales and marketing. I have been selling a product which is not very much related to my field. I'm a geophysicist, but eventually, after some teaching, I found out business is a great line. When you come into business, you talk about products. Products could be related or could not be related. So for the last 40 years, my product has been the luxury items, the art, paintings, sculptures, whatever you want to call, the art, the books, the antiques items, the precious gifts. And these were the products. Precious stones, these were the products I have been. Semi-precious stones, these were the products I have been. Some metals I have been marketing in international countries like Costa Rica, Central America, USA, Dominican Republic, and all around the Caribbean. It's more than 35 years I stayed in Costa Rica. It's a great country. But what I would like to explain to you, I have been teaching at a couple of universities and institutions, North American institutions there, and teaching some languages and some science. But in business, I learned how to market and how to sell because I took some courses of MBA from the University of California, San Diego program, National University, San Diego. They had a branch in Costa Rica, and I took 7 or 8 subjects from them of the MBA, and I have that knowledge as well. And so many things I learned through my personal experience in sales and marketing as I was selling luxury items like art, antiques, sculptures, things like that. Okay, not the items of necessity, but I am eligible to teach or train the people. If you wish to ask my consultancy or my services, I would be glad to train your personnel in sales and marketing. I have been auctioning products in international auctions, so I'm an auctioneer as well. I can auction your product, I can auction your item I know how to go to the podium and speak out and how to take the bids. I have that experience as well. Same as with the languages, I can teach English, I can teach Spanish, Urdu of course, and in general, the general knowledge about many things, many topics, many subjects you would like to ask as a consultant. If you have a question, please feel free to ask. So this was part of my introduction, and the services, let me be precise. Number one, I can give short courses on sales and marketing, as I have 40 years of experience in sales and marketing. Number two, I can offer language skills to the companies like call centers, like multinational companies, like selling online, or like selling or offering the program, offering the product, or doing something like a blogger. You promote, like a promoter of your sales and marketing, of your items, how you act as a useful or attractive blogger. I can train your people in that as well. For the call centers, for the multinational companies, how to sell online, things like that. About languages, for the language centers, I would like to offer my services for English and Spanish. I do have some time. I do have my art gallery, antique shop, and my little office. You can join me. If you have any question, you can always visit me personally. Come to RJ Mall, right in front of Rashid Minhas Road. RJ Mall in Gulistan Johar, right in front of the Rashid Minhas Road bridge, next to the Millennium Mall. RJ Mall, lower ground, we have a gallery, antique shop, and a bookshop. You will find me there, and I would always have time to attend you. So please do call us or just drop by. My services could be very much useful, and the experience is international, and the technique is international, and the process and the method is international, which our people, maybe they know or they don't know, they could be benefited through my experience. I would appreciate that if you take that into account, and if I could be of any help, you are more than welcome to join me. And our prices or fee or consultancy would be just nominal, because my best intentions in the best interest of my people and the country. After so many years I have been out, and now I am in Pakistan, and I have seen so many things which are not doing as good as it should be. So if I could be of that help, it would be a pleasure and an honor. Thank you very much. And my telephone number is, there are two telephones. You can always reach me on those two telephones. Number one is +92 347 +92 347 299 0294 +92 347 299 0294, and the other one is +92 317 2828 615 +92 317 2828 615. These are my two telephones. The first one is the WhatsApp. You can send me your inquiry, I can answer you, you can write me an email, I can return you the email. And of course I can prepare your people also how to talk to international clients, and what should be the format, and what should be the language to be spoken in Spanish or in American English or in American slang. I can prepare your people and train your people in that as well. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad. Hope you like my idea, and you can contact us. Thank you.